Hello everyone, welcome back. Is your Nomad eSIM not working on Android or iPhone? In this quick guide, we will show you how to fix common issues and get your eSIM up and running in no time. Why Nomad eSIM not working? If data roaming is turned off, the eSIM cannot connect to the local network. The eSIM may not have been enabled, the device may not support eSIM technology, or may not be compatible with Nomad's service. You might be in an area with insufficient cellular coverage preventing a connection. Fix 1. Restart your device. Restarting clears temporary files and reset network settings, which can help in establishing a better connection. For iPhone, press and hold the side button and either the volume up or volume down button until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off your device. After the device is completely off, press and hold the side button again until you see the Apple logo. For Android, press and hold the power button until the power options appears. Tap on restart or power off. If you choose power off, wait a few seconds, then press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. Fix 2. Turning off or on data roaming. This can refresh your connection to the network as sometimes the settings may not register properly. Open the settings app, then go to cellular, iPhone or mobile data on Android. Look for the data roaming toggle. Switch the toggle to the off position. This disconnect any roaming data services. Allow a few seconds for the change to take effect. Switch the toggle back to the on position to re-enable roaming services. Fix 3. Turning off or on eSIM. This action reset the eSIM's connection to the network, potentially fixing any issues with registration or connectivity. Open the Settings app on your device, tap on cellular, iPhone or mobile data on Android. Find and select the eSIM plan you want to manage. Look for an option to toggle the eSIM off. This will disable the eSIM and allow a few seconds for the change to take effect. Toggle the switch back to the on position to reconnect to the network using your eSIM. Fix 4. Turn airplane mode on or off. Activating airplane mode disconnects all network connections and then reconnects them, which can resolve temporary glitches. Swipe down the quick settings, turn off or on airplane mode. Fix 5. Check balance. Make sure you have active plan and enough balance in your account. Checking your data usage on the Nomad iOS or Android app. Log into your account using the login button at the top right or log into Nomad app. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Go to the manage page. Choose the data plan you want to check. If necessary, check for options to add balance on manage page to continue the service. Fix 6. Contact customer support. Contact customer support via the Nomad app chat or create a support ticket. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Providing screenshot of your connectivity issue will help them assist you more effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.